so much for coming back to the channel. I really appreciate each and every last one of you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go right ahead and subscribe. It costs you nothing. It's free, and you will enjoy the different DIYs that I do. Today I am creating a floral vase. I am using a Dollar Tree vase. I'm going to wash it real good, and then I'm going to tape it off, and I'm going to spray paint the bottom portion here. Let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. I taped it off, and I went on ahead and sprayed the bottom portion. Now I'm going to take the tape off. Next, I'm taking this mirror tile that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going around right on top of the silver part. And then I am going to take a piece of rhinestone and go right on top of the mirror tile here. Then next I went to Dollar Tree and picked an assortment of nice florals. This was a candle holder from, a candle from Dollar Tree, but I took the candle out, and I actually had spray painted it green on the inside, but I don't know, when it was drying it did something crazy. So I took as much paint out as I could, and now I'm just using some Fix All adhesive, and I'm going around the rim of this. And I'm also going to go around the rim of the vase. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Come back and put it together. Okay, both pieces have been sitting up with the glue on it. Now I'm going to put them together. Bring this one off to the side. Bring this one in. Put this one together. And then I am going to take a strip of the rhinestone ribbon and go right around the base of the green glass. I didn't like the way this looked after I put the flowers in. I didn't like how the inside looked. So I bought some floral foam and some deer moss to put in there. And then I'm going to put the flowers back in. This floral foam is very easy to cut with a butter knife. And here is the deer moss. that I am just going to put right down in here. Now I'm going to put the florals in again. Using one that I already did, I want to do it opposite to what I have on this one. Now that I've cut my stems to the appropriate size, I'm using the other vase because I want to do this one opposite of that one. So this one. And here is the reveal, guys. Thank you so much again for coming to this channel to watch another video. I really appreciate it, guys. And you all have a blessed day.